Hello, I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video to talk about the major disadvantages of the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, that what are the disadvantages about the OnePlus Nord 2? Can you please elaborate the disadvantages? So the first major disadvantage for the OnePlus Nord 2 can be having the merging of the ColorOS and the OxygenOS in one phone together. That is what the one major problem which is right now having. So most of the OnePlus users, they will definitely buy the OnePlus phone because of the clean UI experience. That's what a lot of OnePlus users actually bought the mobile phones. Even myself, I did buy the OnePlus phones as well, mainly because of the clean user interface. That is a one reason, close to stock Android. But now the things are going to change with the OnePlus Nord 2. The ColorOS and the OxygenOS will be both clubbed in together in the one phone. So we're going to see the OxygenOS and the ColorOS in one device, friends, which is a OnePlus Nord 2 device. So by this kind of mixing, we'll definitely see some kind of difference in terms of the UI optimization as well. That is the first thing which I'll be definitely focusing. So if I buy the phone, I'll definitely focus on the UI optimization. What is any kind of difference is there or not by comparing with the previous OnePlus mobile phones. That's the one thing which I'll definitely do that. And few of the options which are quite similar to the Realme X1 Max user interface as well. That's what the few of the comments which I did get. So saying that the camera interface is completely same like the Realme X1 Max, even the settings as well. Few of the options which are completely same. That's because of the OxygenOS is converting into the ColorOS, I think. So that is the reason they're trying to slowly start to convert. I'm not sure why they are converting. At this point, the OxygenOS is really good, that Oxygen UI. They don't need to change to any kind of color UI. That's a really unique thing about the Oxygen UI. I'm not sure why they are shifting into the another UI. That is the first disadvantage about this OnePlus Nord 2. And second disadvantage can be the playing the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. I think by default you'll be getting only with the smooth and extreme settings. You don't get with the, I think HDR and extreme is not enabled by default out of the box. That's the one thing. The few of the reviews I did see online about the Battlegrounds mobile, that can be the disadvantage for a few users. Maybe very soon even this phone might get optimized like the Realme X1 Max, I think so. And next disadvantage can be regarding the camera. The camera can only record 4K 30 FPS. That is what the few of the users also mentioned regarding the camera. The camera capability is not up to the 4K 60 FPS. I'm not sure why it's limited only to 30 FPS. So because whereas other smartphones, they are able to record at 4K 60 FPS even with the 48 megapixel lens, but still this phone can only do up to, I think, 4K 30 FPS. That's another limitation we got right now in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So these are the few disadvantages which I did find out in the OnePlus Nord 2 after looking at the comments and the reviews everywhere. So in case if there are any more disadvantages about this phone, let me know in the comment section below, friends. That will be really helpful for a lot of other users. But the main disadvantage for this OnePlus Nord 2 would be this is the one. So ColorOS and the OxygenOS mixing, that's the one thing. But the price is really tempting in this OnePlus Nord 2, making a lot of users to buy this phone. Even by using the HDFC Bank discount card, you can really get for a really good deal for the OnePlus Nord 2. That's another major thing you can understand. So these are the few disadvantages, friends. First is OS. That's OS is going to change from the ColorOS. And next is regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game. So by default, you don't get the 90 FPS. That's what I did see the reviews. And next, third is the camera. So camera 4K 30 FPS is only supported. So thank you for watching this video, friends. In case if I buy the phone, definitely I'll try to do the in-depth comparison in terms of the UI optimization and all the details. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are the other videos you want me to do. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.